If you have an AirPrint-enabled printer, then you can easily print photos from iPhone via AirPrint. It doesn't matter if you don't have a portable printer for iPhone. This video will show you other effective ways to get pictures off iPhone to print. Way 1. How to print photos from iPhone using AirPrint. If your printer has the AirPrint function, then you can print photos, text messages, notes, and more directly from your iPhone or iPad. The process is very simple. Way 2. How to print pics from iPhone via apps. You can also use an app to help you upload your photos to a nearby store that offers photo printing services, and you can pick up your photos after printing. Way 3. How to print pictures from iPhone from computer. Mobikin Assistant for iOS. The software supports to export your iPhone photos to PC as a whole or selectively. How do I print photos from my iPhone via Assistant for iOS? Step 1. Run it and connect your iPhone to the computer. Step 2. Select Photos, click Export, and find a location on the computer to save them. Step 3. Open the exported pictures on your computer and print them out directly.